the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it's shaking things up in the field of medicine. That's right, we're talking about AI revolutionizing drug discovery. For years, finding new medications has been a slow and expensive process, but AI is changing the game. We'll explore how AI is speeding up drug discovery, making it more efficient, and even leading to more personalized treatments. The emergence of artificial intelligence, however, is transforming this field, offering a powerful set of tools to streamline the process and accelerate the development of life-saving therapies. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of complex biological data at an unprecedented scale, uncovering hidden patterns and relationships that would be difficult or impossible to identify through traditional methods. This big data analysis capability empowers researchers to make more informed decisions about drug development and prioritize the most promising therapeutic avenues. For instance, by analyzing genetic data from large patient populations, AI can identify subtle variations in genes associated with a particular disease. This can help researchers pinpoint potential targets, molecules, or cellular processes that play a key role in disease development. Similarly, AI can analyze the 3D structures of proteins involved in disease processes to predict how potential drug candidates might interact with them. This in silico, computer-based analysis can dramatically reduce the number of drug molecules that need to be tested in expensive and time-consuming laboratory experiments. AI encompasses a range of techniques that enable computers to learn from data and make intelligent decisions. In drug discovery, AI excels at analyzing vast amounts of complex biological information, a task that can overwhelm traditional methods. Here are some of the key data types that AI can leverage. Genetic and genomic data. AI can identify patterns in genetic variations associated with diseases, pinpointing potential targets for drug intervention. For example, AI can analyze data from genome-wide association studies, GWAS, to identify single nucleotide polymorphisms, SNPs, that are linked to an increased risk of a particular disease. By understanding the genes involved in disease development, researchers can design drugs that target those specific pathways. Protein structures. By analyzing the 3D shapes of proteins involved in disease processes, AI can predict how potential drug candidates might interact with them. This process, known as computational docking, can help researchers identify molecules that have the best chance of binding to the target protein and inhibiting its function. Clinical trial data. AI algorithms can analyze data from past clinical trials to identify trends and predict the potential efficacy and safety of new drugs. By analyzing data on patient demographics, disease severity, treatment response, and side effects, AI can help researchers design more effective clinical trials and improve the success rate of drug development. Electronic health records, EHRs. EHRs contain a wealth of information about patients' medical history, diagnosis, medications, and treatment outcomes. By analyzing vast dataset of EHRs, AI can uncover hidden connections between diseases and potential treatment options. For example, AI might identify a drug that was originally developed for one disease, but shows promise in treating a completely different condition. This process, known as drug repurposing, can significantly accelerate drug development by leveraging existing medications. Imaging data. AI can analyze medical images such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to identify disease patterns and progression. This can be used to develop new diagnostic tools and to monitor a patient's response to treatment. AI can also be used to analyze functional imaging data such as PET scans to assess the effects of drugs on specific biological processes in the body. Real-world data. Real-world data includes information collected outside of clinical trials, such as data from wearable devices and patient registries. By analyzing real-world data, AI can provide insights into the long-term safety and effectiveness of drugs in real-world settings. This can help to identify potential safety issues that may not be apparent in controlled clinical trials. Armed with this newfound knowledge, AI can then assist in designing entirely new drugs from scratch. De novo design, opening doors to entirely new classes of medications. But AI's talents extend beyond inventing new molecules. It can also optimize existing drugs, tweaking their properties to improve potency, reduce side effects, and make them easier for the body to absorb. AI doesn't stop there. It can also breathe new life into existing drugs by analyzing vast datasets of medical records and scientific research. This process, known as drug repurposing, can identify medications that might be effective for entirely different uses. Repurposing existing drugs cuts down on development time and cost, accelerating the path to new treatments. For example, AI might discover that a blood pressure medication also has the potential to treat a specific form of cancer. Finally, AI steps in to optimize the clinical trial process. By analyzing patient data, AI can help select the most relevant participants for trials and design optimal dosing regimens. This ensures trials are more efficient and deliver more meaningful results, ultimately accelerating the development of safe and effective therapies. This targeted approach reduces the number of trial participants needed, saving time and resources. But AI's impact goes beyond just refining existing processes. This technology also opens up doors to entirely new avenues for drug discovery. By analyzing complex biological data, AI can identify novel drug targets and even design completely new classes of medications from scratch. AI in drug discovery is a game changer, but it's not without its hurdles. One major challenge is ensuring high-quality data. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they're trained on. Incomplete or inaccurate data can lead to misleading results and hinder the development of effective drugs. While AI excels at making predictions, understanding the why behind those predictions can be difficult. This lack of transparency can make it hard for researchers to fully trust the AI's recommendations and refine the models for better results. It's like having a black box that gives you answers, but you don't understand the logic behind them. Ethical considerations are also paramount. AI systems and algorithms can perpetuate biases present in the data they're trained on. This could lead to drugs that are less effective for certain populations. We need to ensure fairness and inclusivity throughout the AI-driven drug discovery process of collaboration. AI is a powerful tool, but it shouldn't replace human expertise. Successful drug discovery requires a strong partnership between AI researchers, medicinal chemists, and other scientific disciplines. While AI is revolutionizing drug discovery, challenges remain. One key hurdle is data. AI thrives on vast amounts of high-quality biological data, but ensuring its accuracy and completeness is crucial. AI excels at making predictions, but understanding the reasoning behind them can be difficult. This lack of transparency can make researchers hesitant to trust the AI's recommendations and refine the models for better results. Ethical considerations are also important. If AI algorithms are trained on biased data, they may perpetuate those biases in drug development. This could result in medications less effective for certain populations. Ensuring fairness and inclusivity throughout the process is critical, so collaboration remains essential. AI is a powerful tool, but it shouldn't replace human expertise. Successful drug discovery requires a strong team effort between AI researchers, medicinal chemists, and other scientific disciplines. The future of AI in drug discovery is brimming with exciting possibilities. One area of focus is tackling previously undruggable targets, molecules thought to be too complex for traditional methods. AI's ability to analyze intricate biological data holds immense promise for unlocking breakthroughs in diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Beyond tackling new targets, the future also holds the potential for integrating AI with other cutting-edge technologies. Combining AI with gene editing tools like CRISPR or 3D printing for drug creation could further accelerate the discovery and development process. Imagine AI designing a new drug, CRISPR precisely editing genes to combat disease, and 3D printing rapidly creating customized medications? A future where these technologies work together seamlessly. And finally, the future of AI in drug discovery could see the rise of open-source platforms. These platforms would democratize access to AI tools, allowing smaller research institutions and startups to contribute to the drug discovery landscape. Let's break down how AI is transforming drug discovery and what it means for the future of medicine. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.